Okay, good morning, GH student. This is the task for today. Okay, about immigrant. Yeah, this is the appearance of the newspaper that you will gonna make, and then this is the raw file like visual. But pay attention to this picture first. Yeah, in this picture, have a lot of specification. Example like this. Yeah, example like this. Yeah, for this is using Times New Roman or serif. Yeah, this is serif, this is sans serif. Okay, this is sans serif, this is sans serif, but this one sans serif. This is all of the body is using serif. Yeah, this is sans serif, but for Vineta Pandey, this one. Yeah, okay, for Vineta Pandey. Yeah, for Vineta Pandey and turn to page 4, we will use Arial Black. Yeah, for the specification. Now we will change first. First of all, before you will do, you need to change the layout. Yeah, layout you will change into A4 for the size, and then the margin is 1 centimeter. Okay, like this. If already in 1 centimeter and A4, now you will block from Vineta Pandey, go to turn to page 4. Okay, you block it until this. Remember, you block until number 4, not more than like this, but until 4. After that, you apply the style normal, and then you modify this one. Yeah, this is body. You rename it become body. You change into Times New Roman, and then 12. Justify for the paragraph. Like visual, this is single, and then the spacing after is 0. But for the indentation, remember for this, the indentation in here we will use 0.3. Why 0.3, mister? Because in this picture the indentation is a little bit small than the space of the column, so we will use 0.3. okay, then click OK. Okay, if already like this, still block. Now we apply the column. Okay, click more column, and then type 4 in here. You will divide it into 4 columns, same as a picture. Look at 4 column. After that, press tab in here. The spacing between each column is 0.5. Click OK. Okay, like this. And then look at this, Vineta Pandey and New Delhi. Look at this one is using Arial. Yeah, Arial. Okay, and then we delete the indentation first. Delete the indentation. Delete the indentation. This one also delete the indentation. Okay, we will block for Vineta Pandey. Special Vineta Pandey is we use Arial Black. Arial Black. Yeah, and the size for Vineta Pandey and New Delhi is 10. Yeah, after New Delhi we will give space after is 12. Okay, like this. Yeah, look at this picture. Okay, 12. If we make it small, yeah, if we make it small, same as this picture. Yeah, now we will fix turn to page 4. This is also using Arial Black. Arial Black, and the size is 10. This is right align. Okay, and for this we will click blue. Yeah, this is using text. Yeah, you just find the font color and then change into blue, same like this. Yeah, and then press enter. Oh, later we will fix this one because it's different. Now we will move the picture, this picture same as this example. Yeah, okay, we will change the format first. We will change the wrap text into square. Okay, we will move. Now we will make it small. Remember, the size of this picture is 3 column. 3 column. Okay, like this. If already finished, now look at under picture there is text. This is caption: migrant worker board buses to return to their village and hometowns. This one, right? The text. Okay, for those who use 2000. Okay, before that I will change into Arial. Arial, not Arial Black. Yeah, Arial only. Arial. Oh, sorry, I will change into Arial, and then the size is 10, and then this one is bold also. Yeah. Okay, for those using E2003 and 2007, you will put as text box. Yeah, you will put as text box like this. Okay, so you will put this text migrant workers until PTI in here. Okay, and you will change the what is that format, no fill and no outline. The wrap text you will change into square. Okay, this is for 2003 and 2000, yeah, 2003 and 2007. So like this, and then you put in here. Okay, and then you make it same the size. Okay, so I think this is not bold. Yeah, we will change into bold. Yeah, wait, we will make it small 9. Okay, just put 9. Yeah, next for this is for 2003 and 2010, 2007. If we use 2010 until 2019, so you just block it. Yeah, you just block. After you block, you just click insert, and then you click word art straightly, choose this, and then change the size into 10. Remember, this is left align. Yeah, like this, left align. Yeah, and then format from wrap text, this one is square. Yeah, already square, so you just move. Yeah, you just move under the picture like this. This is for those who use 2000, 2003 and 2010 until 2019. Yeah, so sorry, yeah, this one not bold. Yeah, if using 2010 until 2019, this is not bold. If using text box, this is bold. Okay, until here almost finished. Yeah, so we can fix this title. This one, migrants had to pack their village again, that have the blue color. So this one also I will change into Arial black. Yeah, sorry, Arial black. Yeah, after that we use text, sorry, word art. Yeah, look at, I will click justify blue, and then I will delete the indentation. We will make it small. The size is 18 or 17 or 17. Okay, we will put in here. Okay, look at this text is parallel to Vineta Pandey. Yeah, migrant head back is parallel to Vineta Pandey, same as the example. Yeah, and then this picture is same like both present. Yeah, parallel with both present. So we will put this text, the caption, under more, like this. Okay, so turn to page 4. This one we give to enter. Yeah, 1 and 2. Why? Because it always put in the bottom right corner. Okay, for this already finished. Now we will put this another title, is one subtitle or title even. Yeah, second title. Okay, now look at this one is italic. Yeah, and the text is Times New Roman also. We will make it bold, and the size you just make it bigger. Okay, if like this, below the indentation, it means bigger, right? Just make it small one step. Oh, sorry. So make it small one step. Okay, the size is 16. Now the main title is on Camelamide because short, so we block it. Okay, we click bold and then we make it bigger. Okay, sorry, the size is 39. Okay, look at between this text and this text. Yeah, between this text and this text, yeah, remdesivir and 1.8, the size from the picture, from the example, is a little bit far, so you give the space after in your layout. Space after is 6, yeah, or 10. Okay, you give space after 10 is okay. And then between 1.84 to Vineta Pandey, this is the space is not too far, so you delete one enter in here. Okay, so the size like this. Yeah, okay, this is already finished. Yeah, almost finished. After that you file save as. Yeah, you save as, you put on your folder, rename with newspaper 27 April 2021, and then Mr. Ferry, your name, Mr. Ferry. Save. After save, don't forget give header Mr. Ferry, your absent number example 015, and footer also give file path. Okay, close. Save, don't forget, save again. After save, now you fix the evidence. Okay, this is the evidence. I will rename it first, evidence Mr. Ferry. Okay, before that I think something that I forget. Yeah, look at this text PTI under the picture. Yeah, under the picture this one have PTI. This is italic. Yeah, this is italic, I forget, italic. Yeah, okay, before we finish it, we check first. We will make it the same. Okay, Camela, this one already bold, and then Times New Roman, this is Arial Black, this one Arial, this is Times New Roman, sorry, Arial. Okay, I remember, yeah, for this text and this text, yeah, the blue color and under the picture, for those who use 2003 and 2007, you will make as text box. Okay, you will make as text box. Yeah, the size may be a little bit different for this. Yeah, for this the text box is 9 and bold, and then for this, yeah, the text box is a little bit different. Yeah, Arial Black in here is 17. Just check on your program. The important, the size is same as a picture, the width is same as a picture, not more than, not less than. Okay, for use to 2003 and 2007, and maybe the other office that same have problem. Yeah, the word art is not like this. Yeah, the word art is not like this. Okay, I think finish. Okay, we'll save. Now we go to evidence Mr. Ferry. Yeah, don't forget give header Mr. Ferry 015, and then here also file path. Yeah, document info, file path. Okay, now evidence 1. Evidence 1 is Mr. Ferry document. Yeah, properties, screenshot you put in here. Next is the detail, you screenshot and then you put in here. Now evidence 2 is Mr. Ferry evidence, you screenshot and then you put in here the second evidence of evidence 2. Okay, big detail, you screenshot. Okay, you put in here. The evidence contain 4 screenshot, already finished. Don't forget put header and footer. Save. Yeah, and then you submit 2 of this file. Okay, evidence and newspaper you submit in Microsoft Teams. Yeah, I think that's all from me. Don't forget to comment, like, and share, and also subscribe for my channel. Bye bye, G8.